Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Green color, black color, dark gray color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, baby pink color, red color, blue color, violet color, dark green color, dark blue color. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Star, star, circle, circle, arrow, arrow, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, rhombus. Let's color the shapes. Orange color, orange color, yellow color, yellow color, brown color, red color, red color, baby pink color, baby pink color, green color, green color, star, circle, arrow, rectangle, triangle, rhombus. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.